Hey, how is everybody doing? It's Matt back, and we're gonna go through some top stock picks right here, real quick. Because I don't want to take all day, and you don't need to take all day. So let's get right into it with the top picks of the week. Now, in no way are these what you should trade. They're just great picks that could have the possibility to explode. So the first one here is going to be Disney DIS. Okay. Now, if we wait for my internet here, it's kind of slow. So, as you can see, after the big coronavirus sell-off, we've been having some pretty steady uptrend pattern, and we are currently kind of coming up on this SMA line here, right around here. So this is a pretty great time to potentially take a position. Hopefully, maybe tomorrow we'll see a slight pullback back to the EMA line here, and then we see a little pullback, and then an explosion there. Hopefully, and then we can see potentially about 14%, 10 to 14% or so, depending on how high it goes from its previous high. But it's making higher highs and lower lows, or higher lows, so that's a good sign. And if we take a look at the MACD indicator here, we're starting to see signs of some green and some reversal on the price action. So the RSI is looking good. Everything is looking great on this one. So this is one to keep in mind. The next one here is going to be CCL. This is Carnival Corp. This is the cruise line corporation. So after some pullback too from the coronavirus, we see it starting to even out, and we can see some. It's starting to come back now. It exploded a little bit, and now it's pulled back, and now is a pretty safer time to get in if you wanted to. And there's the possibility on this can go back all the way to its previous high eventually, but it could be a little bit longer on this one because it is based on travel, so travel's not too much right now. But it's for a great price, $20. It used to be up here at $50. So we could see, great potential, 100% or so if you held it for however long, but it has pulled back. The MACD is looking great. RSI is looking good. You could buy in here, set your stop loss down here at about $17, and just let it ride out and see what happens. Not too much risk there, but definitely one company that can come back that's just been hurt by the whole situation. So the next one we're looking at is IFRX. IFRX, okay. This is another one that's this one really didn't even get affected by the coronavirus. It's just like it just pushed right through. We just steady bouncing off this SMA line here, and so we've come back to this SMA here. Good time to get in and just see what happens. Get in. We have potential about 25% profit here from its previous high. You can take a position here and set your stop loss just below here. So we're seeing about 11% loss compared to 25% gain. So that's over 2 to 1 on your ratio. So not too bad odds there. Might be a good time to wait till you see confirmation, but again, it's something to look at. And the next one here we have is what is it? WWNC. This is a transport company. I got two transport companies today. This is Wabash National. They basically make all the trailers for semi trucks and stuff. If you ever see semi trucks and it says a Wabash trailer, that's who it is. Wabash. They make a lot of trailers, reefers, and stuff for semi trucks. So this one got hammered too from the coronavirus, and it's just been coming up, and now it's kind of steadied off. It's come up a little bit, but now it's pulled back. It's gone higher and pulled back again, but it's lower than what it was. So we could see a potential another push here up past the previous high of about 25% maybe or so. As you can see, it pulled back. It didn't really show signs of any explosion there, but then all of a sudden one day it's just boom. That's like a 15% day, and then it pushed way up. So we could see the same thing maybe tomorrow, maybe Wednesday. Depends. This is a good company. It's not like they're a bad company. They've been they've been in the business for a long time. They make trailers. They base it off transport, so transport's coming back, and that's what they're waiting for. Another one that's transport is PBF. Actually, sorry, this is energy. My bad. That's a different company. This is an energy company. Kind of the same situation. They were pulled back a bit. Now it's kind of come out. It's slowly been up, and now we're starting to see it's getting above the SMA line and pulling back. So a decent time to potentially get in and hold it. This is a more longer term one, but we're down to $10 here when it used to be up to $30. So we could see some great profit margins here, 170% if you held it for quite a while. So those are basically all the ones I have today. Real quick and simple. Don't want to take too long. So yeah, if you guys have anything else you want me to go over in the Thinkorswim platform, let me know, and I'll see you guys next time.